Hey, so a super interesting thing just happened to me. I was at the post office. I had to take care of some business, and I was there before the office opened. So I could hear the postmaster or the station manager in charge on the intercom, and he was giving friendly reminders about what they needed to pay attention to that day. And the thing he said is, hey, listen, guys, we live in a video generation. You never know when the video cameras are running. We had a situation yesterday in one of our other post offices where the video camera was running, and they saw the clerk throw the packages. And listen, we do not do that here. If I catch you throwing packages, you will be in my office. And I thought, hey, what a great reminder. When people entrust things to us, when they give us something that's valuable to take care of, like their home, we are in charge of it. And people don't like it when there's trash all over their yard. They don't like it when there's nails in their rose bushes. They don't like it when the tarp blows off the back of their pool that you're trying to cover. They don't like it. They absolutely hate it. They detest it. So our job is to make sure that those things don't happen. And if you make sure those things don't happen, you know, people will tell their neighbors about you. And if they tell their neighbors about you, you're going to get more business. This is Mike. Make it a great day.